Were you one of those kids that was told not to blow bubbles in your chocolate milk?
Oh, Steven, how many times do I have to tell you to stop blowing bubbles in your chocolate milk?
I can lower my heart rate by breathing bubbles into my chocolate milk, which also means I can lower my blood pressure and activate my parasympathetic nervous system. As you can see, I went from over 100 beats per minute all the way down in the mid-60s.
So guess what? The kids were right, that by blowing bubbles in your chocolate milk is going to help you stay calm, relaxed, stress-free, focused, and in optimal states of health.